Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to update iCloud password on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your settings on your iPhone. So after opening your settings, here you can see your name right here. Simply just tap on your name. And then here you can see your Apple account settings will now open. In order to update your password, what you're going to do is tap on the option here, sign in and security. So after tapping on the option, here you can see we are on the sign in and security settings. In order to change your password, simply just tap on change password that you can see under security. So after tapping on it, here you can see you have to enter your current iPhone passcode. So after entering your current passcode, now you have to type down your new passcode for your iCloud. Now retype your password one more time. After retyping your password, now tap on the continue. And now you have successfully changed your iCloud password on your iPhone. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.